Hi everyone, welcome today in the daily newspaper of Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday, July the 6th, 2022. We have here three regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the binary puzzle, the Sudoku with Sudoku Medium, and the Killer Sudoku, aka Sudoku Mix. And we have also in this newspaper an additional with 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus. Then we have tectonic with 4 stars, tectonic with a 1 star, and 1 binary. And those puzzles, I'm not interested. So total of 7 extra puzzles in the additional, and we will solve first these 3 regular puzzles. And news of today, well, it's day number 133rd, 133rd, war day number 133rd in Ukraine. Yes, 133rd. 3 days ago the war has started there. But let me continue with this one. Binary puzzle. Well, this will be number 4806. Before I start, let me count the boxes. I want to know what kind of binary puzzle this is. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. It's a 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 5 O's and 5 1's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Between two O's comes in 1, double 1, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1, double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. I cannot place the 5th one here, otherwise we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be 1, this should be an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two ones comes an O. Well, between two O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Let me see. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Then. How about, I know between an 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, and fifth O. So this box should be a 1. I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O. So this should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Double 1, here no, there no. I know between an 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, and fifth one. So this box should be an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 5 O's we have here, so the rest are 1's. Then. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Think. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 ones here. If I place number 5 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this is going to be 1. This should be an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, we have here 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 5 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. 1. Wait. 1, 2, 3. 3. 1, 2, 3. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. If I place number 5 here, then we have 4 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be an O, cannot be an O. This should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. If I place number 5, the 5th O here, then we still have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be an O. This should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s, okay. Then between 2 O's comes in 1, double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. Between 2 1s comes an O, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, oh, double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Finish. 1, 2, 3. In 8 minutes. Yes. Great binary. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 2 regular puzzles. Sudoku Medium and a killer Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.